Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SoFi Relay for spending insights on insurance. To begin, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, find and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type SoFi Relay. Press Enter or tap on the search icon to see the results. Look for the SoFi Relay app in the search results. Once you find it, tap on the app to view more details. Check to ensure it is the official app developed by SoFi. If you're ready to download, look for the Get button on iOS or the Install button on Android. Tap on it to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the SoFi Relay app on your home screen. Tap to open the app. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to create a new account if you are a first-time user. If you already have an account, enter your login details and sign in. After logging in, navigate to the section for managing your expenses. This will provide insights on your spending, including insurance bills. Explore the features that SoFi Relay offers to track and manage your spending. If needed, link your bank accounts for more detailed insights. Review your insurance bills and other expenses regularly to stay informed. Utilize the insights provided to better manage your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.